Hello guys, this is Rishika Arora from BeetleByte. Today we are here to see the unboxing of S20 Ultra, which was recently launched in India for a price of around 1 lakh. And the special features of this phone include like 108 megapixel camera and 100 plus zoom. Now I think we should just start with the unboxing. I'm really excited to show you what's inside this box apart from the phone. So as you can see, this is the S20 box, which is pretty similar to any other S20. It's plain and elegant. Then we have over here is that it has 12 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. And then as you can see, the price is 1,03,000. And let's just look at the phone now. So here it is. This is the S20 Ultra phone, and this is the camera. You can see it's pretty gorgeous. And then we'll take a look at what is inside the box. This is a charger which charges at around 45 watt. And then we have over here, what we have over here is a Type-C cable for the charger. And then we have earphones, which are pretty great with amazing sound clarity. So over here we have the case and a booklet inside this box. So whatever you can see all the features of this phone in the booklet. And then we have this really nice transparent cover, which mostly people like because it's clear and then you can see the back. So now let's get back to the phone. So here is the phone, and now let's take a closer look to it. Yeah, so let's turn this on. Here it goes. While it's turning on, let's see what it has to offer. So this is the camera module, which is pretty huge and great, with the 100x camera over here. And then this is the Type-C charger port, and the speakers are right here. Then we have this power button and the volume button, and the SIM block, where you can put 2 SIM cards or maybe 1 SIM card and 1 memory card. So over here it is. Here we go. So this is the LTE version which comes in India, unlike the US version, which is a 5G version, because over here it only supports the 4G. And then we have a bezel-less display with a punch hole camera. And here we go. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, visit beetlebyte.com, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also like and comment in the video. We'd like to know your views on the video too, and share our video to the maximum. Thank you.